Hey folks, myself Akhil from Double Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to record a screen on Windows 11 for free. First, there are many built-in methods within Windows that we can use to record a screen on Windows 11 for free that everyone should know, and that's exactly what I'm going to share with you all in this video. But before I start with the video, let me share with you all about an animated video maker with which we can create awesome unique videos in minutes like a pro, and that is Doratoon. First, Doratoon is the best animated video maker that comes with 100 million plus stock video clips and photos, 10,000 plus 2D and 3D background images, 10,000 plus stock props, and 1,000 plus animated characters with facial expressions. This is the animated video maker that everyone needs. Simply sign up by following the links in description and pin comment. Now from here we can get started with creating videos using built-in templates, or we can also use our own creative ideas to make video. There are so many categories of templates like business, education, marketing and sales, medical and health, HR and training, social media and more. Simply preview a template, and if you like it, then click edit this template. This opens Doratoon video editor. Now from here we can make edits to our video. Here we have all the scenes from our template. We can add characters from here, can add prompts. There's music that can also be added. Once we are done with editing, simply play or export the video. The best part, we can simply sign up for free and get started with using Doratoon for free. But to use all its features, we will be required to upgrade to Doratoon Pro. Well, here is an exclusive coupon for you all. The first 100 users who sign up using my link will get flat 20% discount. So what are you waiting for? Simply find the links in the description and pin comment to get started with using Doratoon to make animated videos like a pro in minutes. Also, you can watch this step-by-step tutorial to know how to use Doratoon to create animated videos. Now coming back to topic, let's get started to know how to record a screen on Windows 11 for free. Press Windows and then All Apps. From here scroll down to Snipping Tool. Let's open it. Here we get this screenshot button, but along with this here we get camera button. Select it. Now click New or Control N to open screen recording interface. Now from here we can simply select the specific part of the screen that we want to record. First, we can also select full screen from here. Once we have selected the area we want to record, then simply click Start. Here it starts recording with 3 seconds countdown. Now whatever we do on our screen will get recorded. Like if you are browsing through any website or want to record some presentation, then we can simply open them and then they will get recorded. We can also pause recording from here or can also delete to start again. After we are done with recording, simply click Stop. Next, Snipping Tool will open our screen video file that we can preview. That's not it, we can also edit the screen video with Microsoft's free Clip Champ video editor. Can also save it from here. We can also share our screen video from here. Wow, isn't not that amazing? That's how easily we can record a screen on Windows 11 for free using Microsoft Snipping Tool App. Also, not to forget, do try out Doratoon animated video maker to make amazing videos like a pro in minutes, and the first 100 users who sign up using my link will get flat 20% discount. So do try out Doratoon now. That's what I had for today. Hope you found this useful and got value. If yes, let me know by smashing that like button. Also share reviews and feedback in comments. And if you are new to Double Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Tech Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Today I wanna show you all the best way to transfer phone data from Android to iPhone without factory reset iPhone. Are you looking to record computer screen on Windows 10 or Windows 11? If yes, then this video is exactly for you.